आहे. फार्मास्युटिक्समध्ये पहिलं चॅप्टर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. प्रिस्क्रिप्शनच्या बाबतीत आपण माहिती घेऊयात. प्रिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये आधी त्याचं इंट्रोडक्शन बघूयात. इंट्रोडक्शनमध्ये जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन जस्ट लाईक प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. Prescription, it is one of the written order given from registered medical practitioner to the pharmacist, and this order is written by the registered medical practitioner, that is a doctor. As we have seen, generally if any patient goes to the hospital and it is a diagnosed by the physician, that is a registered medical practitioner, and registered medical practitioner after diagnosis he writes the some medicines or some informations on a letterhead, and that's known as a prescription. Now what its definition? As we observe on a screen, prescription is defined as an written order from registered medical practitioner to the pharmacist for compounding and dispensing of medicine to the patient. This type of order is known as prescription. Now, what prescription contains? As we have seen the prescriptions which is given even today also from the doctor. You can see on the screen here one of the format is given, that is of prescription. Whatever the format we are looking on the screen, it is the prescription which was prescribed before 10 to 20 years. In this prescription there are parts which can see, or I will explain later. Now what it includes? As we seen the format, prescription contains a direction to the pharmacist. Second thing, it contains the quantity and type of preparation to be given for the patient. Third one, direction for the patient in which the medicaments when to be taken and in what quantity to be taken and what time. Fourth thing, it is written in a English terms like tablet, capsule, weight, name, etc. Fifth one, it also contains the abbreviations like tab, cap. This type of abbreviations are mentioned in the prescription. Now we'll see the parts of prescription. Generally there are 8 parts, or prescription can be divided in 8 parts. First one, date. Second, name, age, gender, address and weight. Third one, superscription. Fourth one, inscription. Fifth, subscription. Sixth, signatura. Seventh, renewal instruction. Eighth, prescriber's signature, name, registered number, degree, etc. These are the 8 parts of the prescription. Now we'll see one by one. See the screen in front of you. It is one of the typical format of prescription. Now see, there are the 8 parts shown on the screen. First one, date. Second, name, age and gender. Third one, superscription. Fourth, inscription. Fifth, subscription. Sixth, signatura. Seventh, renewal instruction. And 8th number, prescriber's information. Here prescribers means a registered medical practitioner or physician. It may be the dentist, it may be gynecologist, it may be the orthopedic. Now we'll see one by one. First one, date. As you know, each and every prescription have the date which is mentioned at the header or below to the header. What is the importance of date? It helps to find out the prescription when it is given to the patient. Second one, it helps for record keeping of prescriptions or of the patients also. Next thing, it helps to record keeping of drugs which form a habit or narcotic drugs. So, fourth importance, it helps for the prevention of drugs misuse. Second part of the prescription is name, age, gender, address and weight. It is written below to the header of the prescription. Now it must be written on each and every prescription because it serves the identity of the prescription as well as the information of patient. It is also useful for the dose calculation of the drug which is to be given to the patient. On this information, what type of the dosage form can be dispensed or what type of dosage form to be dispensed. It can be observed or it can be given by the pharmacist. We'll see third part. In the third part, superscription. You can see in the image or screen in front of you. In the image, as the top of the image, you can see RX. RX is nothing but the superscription. Now it is one of the symbol which is written by the prescriber. That is, it is written as RX, and it is given or written before the inscription. Now what it means? It is a sign of god Jupiter. And who is the Jupiter god? Is a god of healing. By writing this symbol, prescriber prays for the patient to the god that or for the quick recovery of the patient. It is one of the abbreviation or a sign of receipt, that is, take thou or you take. It is given for the pharmacist which will prescribe or dispense the medicine to the patient. Now we'll see fourth part, that is inscription. As in a screen, you can see the inscription below to the RX symbol, that is below to the superscription. It is the main part of the prescription. It contains the name and quantities of drugs and ingredients. As you can see, inscription containing cod liver oil 30 ml, syrup 12 ml, ferric ammonium citrate 4 gram, cinnamon water add up to 90 ml. Up to this 90 ml from cod liver oil, it is a part of inscription which is written in the prescription. Now you can see it is written in English language, and some terms it may contains a Latin like tab, leak. These are the Latin terms which can be observed in the prescription. Now you can also see that each and every ingredient written on separate line with their quantity. This is the inscription. Now inscription, it is like a formula of a preparation or dosage form that contains, or it can divide in three parts. First one base, second adjuvant, third vehicle. Now we'll see base. Base, it is generally a drug, or we can known as active medicament. It is a base. Second part of inscription is the adjuvants. Adjuvants are used to increase the activity of medicament, or it helps to increase the palatability of the dosage form. It also known as ingredients. Third part of inscription is vehicle. As a word, it means used to carry the drug, and it also used to dissolve the drug or to make a dosage form. But nowadays in inscription, ready-made dosage forms are prescribed, so that this type of inscription you cannot see in today's prescription. Today's inscription are also known as modern inscription. Now see the fifth part of inscription, superscription, that is subscription. You can see in the image, fifth number point, fiat emulsio. It is a subscription. It is given in a Latin term. Subscription means a direction for the pharmacist to prepare the preparation as per inscription, that is to prepare the dosage form. Now we'll see the sixth part of the prescription, that is signatura. Signatura, it is written just below to the subscription. You can see in the image 6 number point, that is signatura. It is written as a sig, that is short form, or it can be named as abbreviation. Now signatura means what? Signatura means it is a direction to the patient regarding administration of drug or dosage form. You can see or read cochlear magnum Bisindae sumenda. It is given in Latin term. Or in other words, we can say that this is the instruction given to the patient, and instruction should be written on the label of dosage forms which is being dispensed to the patient. Now, seventh part of the prescription, that is renewal instruction. It is written just below to the signature. In renewal instruction, there are some guidance which is given for the patient to visit again to the prescriber, or renewal instructions also contains specifically some guidance or orders for the patient about narcotic and habit forming drugs. Now we'll see the eighth part of the inscription, that is signature, address, registration number, and degree of prescriber, that is registered medical practitioner. It appears at the bottom of the prescription, and it must be bear on the letterhead, or it should bear in the prescription. Just like you can see in the image, Dr. P.R. Patil, MBBS, MD, and their registration number. It is must appear on the prescription, or it is a must for the patient in which drugs are prescribed, like narcotics and habit forming drugs. This instruction is very important for the prevention of misuse of drugs. That's over of the today's lecture, and I thanks to the all listeners